Have you ever had the problem of sleeping in one position rather than another? Did you know that the way you sleep has a specific spiritual meaning that could transform your well-being? And what if I told you that your sleeping position has affected your mind, body, and soul in ways you never imagined? Sleep is not just a physical necessity, it carries deep spiritual significance that can influence your well-being and personal growth. In this video, we will uncover this hidden knowledge. We will uncover in detail the spiritual meaning and benefit behind sleeping on your left side, right side, back side, and stomach, and discover how your sleep position can influence your mind, body, and soul in profound ways you never imagined. So keep watching. Sleeping on your left side. Sleeping on your left side is associated with receptivity and introspection. In many spiritual traditions, the left side of the body is considered the lunar side, connected to feminine energy, intuition, and the heart. This position can symbolize a willingness to receive energy and insights from the universe. Here's for spiritual meaning and benefit from sleeping on your left side. Aligning with lunar energies. Sleeping on the left side aligns the body with the moon's calming, cooling energies. This position is thought to promote tranquility and emotional balance, helping you harmonize with the natural rhythms of the universe. The moon, often associated with feminine energy, cycles, and reflection, exerts a subtle yet profound influence on our emotional and spiritual states. By sleeping on your left side, you are attuning your body to the moon's rhythm, inviting its serene energy into your nightly rest. This alignment can help you achieve a deeper state of relaxation, reducing stress and anxiety, and creating a sense of peace that lingers into your waking hours. Enhancing intuition. The left side is often associated with the feminine, intuitive aspect of our being. Sleeping in this position can enhance your intuitive abilities, fostering a deeper connection with your inner wisdom and spiritual insights. The left side of the body is connected to the right hemisphere of the brain, which governs creativity, intuition, and emotional processing. By favoring this side during sleep, you stimulate these faculties, making it easier to access your inner guidance and higher self. This can manifest in more vivid dreams, clearer insights upon waking, and a heightened sense of inner knowing throughout your day. Trusting your intuition becomes more natural as this practice strengthens your connection to your subconscious mind. Spiritual detoxification. Sleeping on your left side aids the body's lymphatic system, enhancing detoxification. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in removing toxins and waste from the body, and this process is most effective when the body is in a relaxed state. Spiritually, this detoxification represents cleansing emotional and psychic toxins, leading to a clearer, more focused mind and spirit. As you sleep on your left side, you support your body's natural detox processes, symbolically releasing negative emotions, past traumas, and psychic debris that no longer serve you. This nightly purification allows you to wake up feeling lighter, more centered, and ready to face the day with a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. Heart connection. Sleeping on the left side nurtures the heart, both physically and spiritually. This position can improve circulation to the heart, aiding its function and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Spiritually, sleeping on your left side symbolizes opening oneself to love and compassion, fostering deeper emotional connections and self-love. The heart chakra, located at the center of the chest, is associated with love, compassion, and emotional balance. By sleeping on your left side, you may find it easier to connect with these energies, cultivating a greater sense of empathy and understanding towards yourself and others. This practice can help heal emotional wounds, build stronger relationships, and develop a more profound sense of inner peace. Sleeping on your right side. Sleeping on the right side is linked with action and giving. The right side of the body is considered the solar side, connected to masculine energy, logic, and the intellect. This position signifies a readiness to actively engage with the world and express outward energy. Here's for spiritual meaning and benefit from sleeping on your right side. Embracing solar energies. Sleeping on the right side aligns with the sun's warm, energizing forces. The sun is a symbol of vitality, power, and life, radiating energy that fuels growth and activity. By sleeping on your right side, you invite the sun's invigorating energy into your rest, fostering a sense of vitality and positivity. This position can act as a rejuvenating force, helping to restore your energy levels and infuse your spirit with enthusiasm and strength. As you align with solar energies, you may find yourself waking up with a greater sense of motivation, optimism, and readiness to tackle the day's challenges. Balancing emotions. The right side of the body is often associated with logical and analytical thinking, governed by the left hemisphere of the brain. Sleeping in this position can help balance your emotions with reason, leading to a more stable and grounded spiritual state. When you sleep on your right side, you may find it easier to approach emotional situations with a clear, rational mindset. This balance between emotion and logic can enhance your decision-making abilities, reduce stress, and promote a sense of inner harmony. By integrating both emotional and rational aspects of your being, you can achieve a more holistic and balanced spiritual experience. Protection and security. In many cultures, the right side is seen as the protective side. Sleeping on your right side can symbolize a need for safety and security, offering a sense of comfort and grounding. This position can be particularly beneficial if you are going through a period of uncertainty or stress, as it provides a subconscious signal of seeking protection and stability. The act of curling up on your right side can create a comforting, shielded feeling, helping you feel more secure and anchored. This sense of safety can enhance your overall sense of well-being, allowing you to relax deeply and sleep more soundly. Enhancing dreams. Sleeping on the right side is believed to foster more vivid and meaningful dreams. This position can enhance your ability to receive messages through dreams, aiding in spiritual guidance and personal growth. As you sleep on your right side, you may find that your dreams become more vibrant and detailed, providing valuable insights into your subconscious mind. These dreams can serve as a rich source of spiritual guidance, helping you navigate your waking life with greater clarity and purpose. By paying attention to the themes and symbols in your dreams, you can uncover hidden aspects of yourself and gain deeper understanding and wisdom. Sleeping on your back. Sleeping on your back is associated with openness and surrender. This position allows for the free flow of energy through the body's chakras and is recommended in meditative practices. Here's for spiritual meaning and benefit from sleeping on your back side. Surrender and trust. Sleeping on your back represents surrendering to the universe and trusting in the process of life. This position is inherently one of vulnerability, as it exposes the front of the body, the most sensitive and vital areas. Embracing this vulnerability can symbolize a deep trust in the protective and guiding forces of the universe. By sleeping on your back, you are essentially saying, "I am open to whatever the universe has in store for me," fostering a state of openness to divine guidance and support. This surrender can help you release control and embrace a more fluid, accepting approach to life's challenges and uncertainties. Spiritual awakening. The back sleeping position allows for a more open posture, symbolizing readiness for spiritual awakening and higher consciousness. When you sleep on your back, your body is aligned in a way that facilitates the flow of energy through the chakras, particularly the heart and crown chakras. The heart chakra, located at the center of the chest, is the bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, while the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, is your connection to higher consciousness and the divine. This position promotes the unhindered flow of spiritual energy, helping you awaken to deeper truths and higher states of consciousness. It can be especially beneficial for those on a path of spiritual growth, as it supports the body's natural energy alignment and facilitates profound spiritual experiences. Balance and harmony. Sleeping on your back promotes balance and harmony in the body's energy systems. This position can aid in aligning the physical body with the spiritual body, fostering a sense of unity and wholeness. When your body is in a neutral, symmetrical position, it supports the equilibrium of your energy centers, or chakras, allowing for a harmonious flow of energy throughout your entire being. This balance can translate into a more centered and stable spiritual state, enhancing your overall well-being. By sleeping on your back, you help ensure that your body's energy systems are in harmony, supporting both physical health and spiritual alignment. Reflection and introspection. Lying on your back encourages reflection and introspection. It is a meditative position that can help you connect with your higher self and gain insights into your spiritual journey. This posture naturally lends itself to a state of calm and stillness, providing an ideal setting for inner reflection. As you lie on your back, you may find it easier to enter a meditative state where you can contemplate your life, your spiritual path, and your deeper purpose. This reflective time can be invaluable for gaining clarity, wisdom, and direction, helping you navigate your spiritual journey with greater insight and understanding. Sleeping on your stomach. Sleeping on your stomach is linked with protection and grounding. This position symbolizes a need to feel more grounded or a subconscious attempt to shield oneself from external energies. Here's for spiritual meaning and benefit from sleeping on your stomach. Grounding and earth connection. Sleeping on your stomach provides a deep sense of grounding, connecting you with the earth stabilizing energies. This position presses the front of your body against the bed, creating a physical bond with the ground beneath you. This grounding effect can help you feel more anchored and secure in your physical and spiritual existence. The close contact with the Earth's energies can enhance your sense of stability and support, fostering a deeper connection to the physical world. For those who often feel disconnected or unsettled, sleeping on the stomach can be a way to regain a sense of balance and rootedness. Protection of vulnerability. This position covers the front of the body, symbolizing a need to protect your vulnerable areas. The front of the body houses vital organs and sensitive areas, and by sleeping face down, you instinctively shield these parts. This posture can represent a subconscious desire for safety and a way to guard against emotional harm. It reflects a protective stance, creating a barrier between you and potential emotional or spiritual threats. This sense of security can provide comfort and peace, especially during times of stress or emotional turmoil, allowing you to rest more deeply and securely. Surrendering ego. Sleeping on the stomach signifies surrendering the ego and embracing humility. This prone position, with your face towards the ground, is inherently humbling and can symbolize the act of bowing down. It represents letting go of pride and the need to control every aspect of life, fostering a sense of humility and acceptance. By adopting this sleep position, you may find it easier to release the demands of the ego and accept life as it comes. This can be a powerful step towards spiritual growth, helping you cultivate a more open and receptive attitude towards the universe's plans for you. Releasing control. The prone position can symbolize releasing control and going with the flow. It encourages you to trust in the universe and relinquish the need to dictate outcomes, promoting a more relaxed and trusting approach to life. When you sleep on your stomach, you give up the upright, defensive posture of being ready to act, symbolizing a surrender to the natural course of events. This can help you develop a deeper trust in life's processes, reducing anxiety and fostering a more serene state of mind. Embracing this position can lead to greater inner peace and a more harmonious relationship with the flow of life. Conclusion. Understanding the spiritual meanings of different sleeping positions can offer profound insights into your subconscious mind and spiritual journey. Whether you sleep on your left side, right side, back, or stomach, each position carries unique spiritual benefits that can enhance your well-being and personal growth. By tuning into these spiritual significances, you can deepen your connection with yourself and the universe, fostering a more harmonious and fulfilling life.